Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Michelle aka Mitchythelegend. So in today's video we are going to do backbend to bridges. So before we get anything, we should consider a safe environment, doing our bridges and all that stuff that makes our body feel comfortable. So look for a mat, that is if you have a mat, water bottle, that is if you have a water bottle you can use. So if you don't have that safe environment, create one. Now that you have found your safe environment, we are going to do a warm-up first. First is first, you cannot just do anything else without warming up your body. That heart needs to be pumping, knowing that we are going to do something. So you need to prepare your body and mind. As you do all this stuff, please don't forget to breathe in and breathe out. So we are going to do a little bit of warm-up and stretches so that we can get into our backbend.
Take a chance, live for the risks in this moment. Take my hand and break my heart. I'll never walk this road again. Stumbling steps, road to a dance where things change forever.
There are so many ways one can get into a bridge or a backbend. If you want to get into a bridge or have that flexible back, wall at the beginning is your best friend. Even me as an intermediate, I still have my wall to help me to get into my bridge at afraid that while you are touching the wall you might slip your hands and hit on your head. Well, it's not a problem. You can grab yourself a cushion. Yes, you can grab yourself a cushion. Thank you so much. You can grab yourself a cushion or a pillow. You put it underneath your head so that you feel safe.
Take a chance, live for the risks in this moment. Take my hand, then break my heart. I'll never walk this road again. Stumbling steps grow to a dance where things change forever. There's no regrets, only the past. Will I change? Never. So swing me around, take me down.
How long is it going to take me to get into my bridge, or how am I going to hold on to my bridge for a while or for a long time? Well, it needs your hard work and consistent stretching. Anytime you get some time to stretch, please stretch that back, learn how to hold that bridge, and you'll be fine.
We barely know, you hurt, I grow, I rock, you roll, we steal the show. I lock, you load, we lose control. I won't be held responsible. Run to the hills, leave love behind. Let's lose all concepts of time. I'll take yours and make it mine. Loving me, myself and I. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you on my next video. Love you. Bye.